Hello guys, so for today's video, I will show you how to add different text types on Ibis Paint X app today. So let's begin. First, click on my gallery and click the plus sign in the bottom left corner and choose your preferred canvas size. So I will color the background because I don't want a plain color. After that, click the brush pen at the bottom and click the text icon and just click the center of your screen to pop up the add text and type what you want to type. For example, subscribe. So as you can see, I have this different font. So just go to the font and click the plus sign above and it will direct you to Google search free fonts and click this first and it will direct you to this to download the fonts. And to the right side you will see download. Just download what you want. As long as you have an internet connection, you have a mobile data. And I will choose these. Fonts have been installed. Okay. And we have many fonts to download. Just download what you want. This back to school font, download. Be my glitter time. Okay. Then let's go back. Click the X above to go back. So as you can see, these are the new fonts that I downloaded. X. Size small lang, 131 size. And style, text, choose what color of the text, pink or red, what I will think. The stroke color light yellow, check. And if you want to add more text, just click the center of your screen again and type the word. And let's change the style, the text color and the stroke color. And to save, just click the left arrow at the bottom right corner and save as PNG. And that's all. Thank you.